Hey there, future property moguls. Ever wondered what the best real estate investments are? Well, let's dive right in. First, you've got residential properties. Think houses, apartments, townhouses. These are great because everyone needs a place to live, right? Rental income can provide a steady cash flow. Second, you've got commercial properties, office buildings, retail spaces, a bit more complex, but potentially very profitable. Third, you've got industrial real estate, warehouses, factories, even storage units. These can provide a solid return on investment with long-term leases. And fourth, you've got real estate investment trusts, or REITs. You can invest in real estate without buying physical property, very similar to stocks. Remember, the best investment depends on your personal goals, risk tolerance, and market conditions. Always do your homework before diving in. And as always, happy investing, and who you work with matters.